Hello, Texas Equipment is your one-stop shop for all your garage equipment and tools. 7 options of 2-post lift, screw air compressor 10 HP up to 50 HP, Caesar lift above the ground, in ground. Tires and detailing shop, they will be very happy with this lift. Quad bike and motorcycle lift. More than 3,000 option of hand tools, all kind of engine timing tools, brake bleeding machine, nitrogen inflator, 3 kind of AC machine. Brake lathe is very accurate, easy to use. Double Caesar lift alignment, above the ground, no need to dig, and in ground. Benting and denting shop, they will be very happy from the small hammer up to the chassis jack. Alignment machine cover all cars. Universal and original OEM diagnostic tools, 4 kind of wheel balancer, fully, semi, and the truck tire changer, rim repair from A to Z, the industrial type of air compressor, 3 HP up to 20 HP. The quality, service, and prices will gain your satisfaction.